Today it's time for something easy after yesterday's delicious golden Cadillac where we introduced Galliano. And if you haven't watched that video yet, I posted it yesterday and it's worth a watch. It's December and at my house, that means it's time for holiday cocktails. And I'm making you 25 straight days of cocktails to get you ready for any upcoming party or to give you an extra cocktail tool to help you get through the holiday season. And if you enjoy these short cocktail videos and want to be notified each day I drop one, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified. And for day 22, I'm making you a Cranberry Bramble. So let's head to the bar and make this. For this drink, I'm going to be using gin. Additionally, I'll need cranberry juice, fresh squeezed lemon juice, and orange juice. And for garnish, I'll be using rosemary sprigs. And the tools I need for this drink are a shaker set, as well as a Hawthorne strainer. Everything I use in my bar, as well as in this drink, are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Starting with the shaker, I'm gonna be adding in 1.5 ounces of gin. Now it's time to add 1 ounce of cranberry juice. Now add 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. And lastly, add in 1/2 ounce of orange juice. Now add ice to the shaker and shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. And now strain everything into a rocks glass filled with ice. And now to top it off, I'm gonna be garnishing this drink with 2 rosemary sprigs. And there you have it, the Cranberry Bramble. Cheers. That is a punch of citrus. I know it's called the Cranberry Bramble, but it might as well be called the Orange Bramble because the only thing I really taste up front is that orange juice. Ironically, it's the ingredient with the lowest amount in there, but it's certainly that one ingredient I taste the most. I think if I were to make this drink a little bit better, I would probably introduce simple syrup, more gin, and probably the same amount of juice, maybe 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. But I feel like this drink would do better, a little bit more sweet and less citrusy. Either way, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Let me know, would you make this drink? If you tried it, do you like it? Additionally, if you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell to be notified. I put out new videos and shorts each week, and the support means a lot. But until next time, cheers.